So what is happening with crude oil and even the wheat futures as well? The market has been going a bit crazy for all commodities. For some of them for the same reasons, some of them for different reasons, as we saw yesterday. But crude oil just keeps on dropping quite a bit. This is a big drop today, and the news that fuel it is the Russia-Ukraine peace prospect, and they keep getting more and more real. I don't know the exact details of how good the peace deals talks are advancing or not. Just it's some news say it's going good, some news saying it's not. But the point is, crude oil is being reactive to it, because if the peace deal goes through, a lot of the sanctions on Russia, or probably all of them, will be lifted, and it will be more oil supply, which there is already a concern for an oil oversupply in the globe for 2026. So oil just keeps on plummeting like crazy. Same thing for wheat. These are the exact same news. Oversupply. There's an oversupply for wheat, and it has nothing to do with the Russia-Ukraine peace deal. But if Russia-Ukraine peace deal goes through, there's even more supply, more easily ready from Russia and Ukraine, which account for 25 or 30% of the wheat supplied to the world. So these two products have been going down, and the interesting thing is, for crude oil, it's been going down and volatility has been going up, which is not normal at all. Commodities, for the most part, they crush upward. So if the price goes down, volatility goes down. Here we can see price or volatility goes up as price goes down, which is really abnormal. So for now, crude oil is with a blue tag for me, because its volatility is getting closer to acceptable ranges for me to possibly open a position. At the same time, I don't have any good idea of what position can be opened, because it's just too much uncertainty, and just impossible to know what will happen, and if the price will snap back up or not, or stabilize or keep going down. But for now, this is, it is expected for crude oil to go down, and I've seen some reports by some major banks and analysts saying it can go as low as $50, which will be good for the consumer at the end of the day. But it will also be devastating for some that have exposure on the put side. With that, we have silver, which is still high volatility, and we have copper, which is actually volatility went down. This is where I have a position open currently. It's doing better and better, and volatility fell down on copper to a point where volatility is low at this point, or lower, right? So it was, when I opened a position, it was closer to the 30s. Now it's kind of dropped down, which is very good for us, obviously. We just need price to stabilize, maybe go up a little bit, and this position is going to be profiting and closing really quickly for the profit target, especially with the strong fundamentals. Last but not least, I just want to talk about just quickly about natural gas. Obviously, very good volatility for natural gas. It's been dropping like crazy. This is a huge reason why I don't trade natural gas during winter time. There's just too much uncertainty, too many things, that go into the price moving. Some things don't even make sense, right? We are supposed to have a really cold winter. It's supposed to be a lot of demand for natural gas, but price has been going down like crazy, even though there has been more demand for natural gas. But at the same time, it can flip, very quickly to the upside, the exact same speed, if not quicker. And I've seen that happen before. You can have a 20% move in one day, right? So it will completely reverse this entire 1 week move or more. So really, really dangerous to trade it during the winter time. Things can go, really anyway, up or down, and you can be in big trouble. That's essentially about it for natural gas. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll keep you updated every day of how the position is going. Currently, this position is, I think it's down about 20%, maybe 18%. So it's doing pretty well. The first day at that point, it was down 60%. So now it's only down about 20%. So it's doing much better. I'll keep you posted, and I will catch you tomorrow with a brand new video.